Here are step-by-step directions on how to share your document with someone else via Google Drive. Assuming it's not one you've already created in Google Drive, I'm going to go through the steps to actually upload a document, perhaps Microsoft Word or some other document that you've created locally on your own computer. So the first step after logging into your Google Drive is to click on this icon right here with the upload symbol. And you have a choice to upload a whole folder or simply individual files, and in this case we're just going to upload one individual file. So I will click on Files. Then it's going to ask you to find your file wherever it might be. The one I will be doing will be called Sample, and it is a Word document. So let me find that. I will click on it, and then I'll say Choose. And then I like to keep this setting set because sometimes I want my document converted and sometimes I don't. So I leave this box checked, and if you don't even see this window, you would need to go into your settings and find that. But when you want to share a non-Google Doc document with someone else and take advantage of the editing and commenting features, especially inline commenting, you want that document converted to Google Docs format. And in this case, for example, with your annotated bibliography, if you don't convert it, I won't be able to leave you inline comments, and all my comments will simply appear at the end of the document, which is not very helpful sometimes. So please select Convert Document and then start your upload. And again, I like to leave this confirm setting so every time I can make that choice myself. So I will start the upload. Over here we'll show you a progress bar. Right now it says finishing, and the way it works, now it's done, of course. It shows up as the top one on my list. Right here I have access to the sharing settings, or I could go into the document itself and use the menu there to share it. So this way I can click on Share, and it'll take me to that same sharing window. Right now, of course, by default, it's only shared with yourself, so it's completely private. You would have to click over here to change, and or let me backtrack. You can simply invite me by email address, since you know exactly who you want to share it with, which is me, and use my Gmail address. I don't need to edit it. I simply need to comment, but it's your choice. Leaving me as editor won't hurt anything, but I'm simply going to be commenting. So you can put me as commenter, and yes, you want to notify me via email, and then finally you'd click on Share and Save. And just so you can see the other way, if I didn't click on this little share box in the upload notification, I would have to open my document, and once it's open, then I can go up here to display that same sharing box. Also, please note, if your APA formatting looks like it's been thrown off or somewhat disturbed because of the conversion process, please don't worry about that. I may make comments just noting that APA format doesn't look correct in certain instances, but if you know that that's simply because of the conversion process, then you can just disregard my comments. So that is it. That's how you upload and share with me a document, and in this case, your annotated bibliography.